Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 7th, 2025, and we're diving into Trimble's latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Trimble's performance, especially given the current market dynamics and their strategic initiatives.
Absolutely. Trimble has just released their Q1 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Trimble reported a revenue of $840.6 million for the first quarter, which is a 12% decrease year over year. However, their annualized recurring revenue hit a record $2.18 billion. John, what does this tell us about Trimble's business model?
While the revenue decline might seem concerning at first glance, the increase in annualized recurring revenue is a strong indicator of Trimble's successful transition towards a more stable and predictable revenue stream. This shift is part of their Connect and Scale strategy, which focuses on enhancing recurring revenue through subscriptions and services.
And how about their profitability?
Trimble's GAAP net income was $66.7 million, but on a non-GAAP basis, it was $151.4 million. This significant difference highlights the impact of their strategic cost management and operational efficiencies, which are crucial in maintaining profitability despite revenue fluctuations.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 46 cents, but Trimble reported an adjusted EPS of 61. That's quite a beat. What factors contributed to this outperformance?
Indeed, Trimble exceeded expectations significantly. This outperformance can be attributed to their strong cost management and the growth in their high-margin recurring revenue streams. Additionally, their strategic share repurchase program, amounting to $627.4 million, also played a role in enhancing EPS by reducing the number of shares outstanding.
It's always impressive to see a company beat analyst expectations, especially in a challenging market environment. Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, Trimble has maintained its full-year guidance. They're expecting revenue between $3.37 billion and $3.47 billion, with a non-GAAP EPS of $2.76 to $2.98. How does this align with their strategic goals?
Trimble's guidance reflects confidence in their business model and strategic initiatives. The recent mobility divestiture, which closed in February, is part of their focus on core competencies and high-growth areas. CEO Rob Painter emphasized their strong performance and durable business model, which are key to navigating market uncertainties.
It's clear that Trimble is positioning itself well for the future, focusing on areas that promise sustainable growth. Risks and challenges. Despite the positive outlook, there are always risks to consider. What are some of the potential challenges Trimble might face?
Trimble is not immune to market uncertainties, such as supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions. Additionally, the transition to a subscription-based model, while beneficial in the long term, requires careful execution. Their forward-looking statements also caution about these risks, emphasizing the need for strategic agility.
It's important for investors to keep these factors in mind when evaluating Trimble's future prospects. Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Trimble's Q1 2025 performance showcases their strategic focus and operational strength. With a strong beat on EPS and record recurring revenue, they are well-positioned for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Trimble's ability to maintain guidance and deliver strong results in a challenging environment speaks volumes about their strategic execution. Investors should watch their continued transition to a subscription model and how they navigate market uncertainties.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Trimble's performance in the comments below.